Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Michelle, and if you're new here, I post remote jobs every week, especially ones that are low stress and flexible. So today I have three part-time jobs I want to share with you. So let's jump right in. So the first one is coming from Copart, and they're looking for a customer service representative. As you can see, this is for part-time. So let's go over some of the details of this role. So they're looking for people that can reach out to body shops to confirm vehicle pickup details and obtain vehicle release authorization. Someone that can talk to vehicle owners to get necessary release. Arrange for transport, including three-way calls. You need to be able to participate in weekly team meetings via Teams and also help out with other tasks or assist teammates when needed. So let's talk about some of the qualifications that are required. So you do need to have a minimum of 1 year office support, and you also do need to have your high school diploma or GED. You also need to be able to type 45 words per minute. They also say right here that bilingual is a plus, so it is not required, so still apply if you only speak English. Now, let's look at some more details right here. So, of course, this is 100% remote. So, you work with the company and they provide the equipment. You need to have clear, achievable performance goals, weekly team meetings, and a friendly virtual environment. Now, I'm going to go ahead and highlight this information. Okay, I'm not going to mention it. And then for the benefits, they offer medical, 401k, and ESPP employee stocks. So to find this job, you're going to go to copart.com and go to the career section. You're going to click on view jobs, and it's going to take you to this page where it has all the jobs listed. Then from there, to narrow down the job, you're going to put in call for release, and then you're going to see the job right here. Now for the exact job that I just showed you is going to be this one right here. So go ahead and apply. All right, so moving on to the second company. This one is actually with Dollar Tree, and this is like the first or second time I've seen Dollar Tree hiring for online or for work from home. So let's jump right into it. So they're looking for a customer service associate. This, of course, is part-time, and they're looking for someone to assist customers with questions and recommendations, someone to manage sale transactions while working assigned cash register, and also someone to keep the store well stocked and recover merchandise. As far as skills and experience, they do require that you have a high school diploma or equivalent, previous customer service experience, and the ability to follow instructions and interpret operational documents. So these are the states that they're hiring in. And you can see that they also offer benefits, so employee assistance programs, retirement plans, education assistance, and much more. So if you want to apply for this role, I'm going to try to link it below because I do realize that this was a bit difficult to find. If you do go to the Dollar Tree website and you go to career section, it should be there, but it might be a little hard to find. So I will link it below. So the third position I want to talk about today, this one is for customer service, and you can see the company right here. Okay, now this of course is part-time, and a little about the company is that it's a plumbing company built on trust and quality workmanship. Okay, so you can see the information here about the company in case you've never heard of them before. You can do your own research. So some of the key responsibilities are answering incoming customer calls in a professional and timely manner, schedule service appointments, and coordinate with field technicians. You will also need to respond to customer inquiries regarding service and availability and maintain accurate customer records and appointment details. Now let's talk qualifications. So it does require that you have a minimum of 1 year customer service or administrative experience and a high school diploma or GED. They also look for a strong verbal communication skill and professional phone etiquette. They also have some additional details here, like the work schedule, which is Monday through Friday. And they also provide information about tech package based on the company needs, paid time off, flexible. So if this interests you, definitely go and apply. Looking at the application form right here, it seems pretty simple. They're just asking for your first, last name, email number, and then upload the resume. So I'm not sure how many more steps you have to go through once you click continue, but it looks like a fast application process. All right, so as a reminder, I am not affiliated with the companies mentioned, and the job listings can change or close over time. So if a role is no longer available when you check, it's simply been filled or updated. So I recommend reviewing the company's official career page for the most current information. So if you found this video helpful, feel free to subscribe. I share quite a bit of flexible remote job ideas weekly, so stay informed. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.